Hello everybody, this is George with Melnick's Automotive, working on a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan, and as you can see the airbag light is on, and the trouble codes that I have is U0171, lost communication with up front right satellite sensor. Basically lost communication with front right crash sensor. This vehicle wasn't an accident. I figured out the problem, but I just want to show you where it's located and if you have this code, what it means. So I'm going to take you to the front of the vehicle right now. As you can see, right here I currently have the sensor disconnected. This is the sensor right here. It could be green, it could be blue, it could be yellow. Dodge uses different color sensor, purple and things like that. So this sensor is mounted right behind the headlight, behind the red support over here. Okay, so in my case, what happened was there was some wiring damage and somebody went ahead and soldered wires, and the wiring harness goes from here to the bottom of the radiator here, and when the car was in an accident, this was messed up right here, it was cut. So somebody soldered wires, and they used a connector from an older year, even though the wires matched in color, like with the color codes, but they changed the polarity. They changed the polarity, and they had this at another shop. They went ahead and put a new sensor. They put a new sensor and didn't fix the problem. So I've been going at it, and I just figured out the polarity was wrong. So I basically, what I did, I opened the connector and I changed the polarity. I changed the wires side to side, and right now the light will go out as soon as I plug this in. So if you have this code for the right side, this is where located. If you have a code, it says left side, it's also located right here, right behind. I apologize about my lighting, but it's right here. I apologize my lighting. Well, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to show you that it's working. Alright, as you can see, I went ahead and plugged in the sensor. This is just for demonstration purposes only. Make sure your sensor is mounted, but I'm just trying to show you that the airbag light will go out. If you hit that sensor, we'll deploy the airbags, so just beware. You want to make sure it's already bolted down to the radiator support when you reconnect the power. So as you can see, the airbag light comes on, goes off, and it's not coming back on. So that fixed that problem. So if you have that code, that's what's going on. Thanks for watching. This was George with Melnick's Automotive.